Wait, we're the ones fighting for the slaves, right? I mean, against them.
Right.
What did the Confederates do again?
All right. Azuki, go to C point. Other boys, follow me. We're going to B point.
Alright, alright.
Azuki,
It's
you go
official,
for C point.
artillery bug has been fixed. Oh! Oh! Wild West duel. Wild West. Wild West. Yeah. You're so dead. Oh my gosh. He, he still loves the 1st Virginia Cavalry. The- oh. Oh. So, what is wrong with the capture point system? What is this? Oh my god, he missed. Oh, okay.
Is it just me and Kunrath here at the B point?
How's Louis not that? Louis on like 1 HP right now.
Kunrath, bind to the right. I got Lewis.
remember, remember, Hissy has led a former regiment on Bellomirum.
Oh my god.
Oh, man, man down, man down. This is brutal.
I'm somehow still alive.
He's on the roof.
Who's on the roof? What?
You are on the roof. That's what I'm saying.
Yes.
Oh, I'm seeing.
Kunrath, he's rejoining with a mic.
Oh. It's always been like that since the beginning. Alright. I'm seeing a trench line over here. Holy hell.
If I see one of them, should I shoot at them?
Kill on site, KOS. KOS is active.
Understood. Scammed! I scammed him. Oh god.
It's okay, run.
Good
Damn
though. Hello there.
Hello
How's
there.
it going?
You know what I'm thinking? Bakhmut.
Bakhmut radio. He's dead.
I am thinking of Bakhmut.
Who is not thinking of Bakhmut radio? Oh, they're behind!
Special military operation. Oh shit. RIP. Alright, I'm thinking of Bakhmut right now. I'll try to lower that. Alright, here comes Bakhmut. Where
Are
do
we
I
winning
fire?
or losing?
I mean, during battle, there's no limit, so you can just kill how much people you want.
I'm gonna rush the B point.
Alright, I'm loading round shots. Whatever the Russians must do, they must do. They must.
I'm on the B point! Oh my god!
Oh my gosh.
Oh crap, I
Oh, the
didn't
B
even
point's
notice.
ours for now, if we can keep it.
It's okay, follow me.
What?
Right here,
Where?
right here. Oh
I'm
god, oh god.
reloading.
Oh, he's dead.
Alright, now.
Yeah, this American
Wait,
grass is made different.
Go.
Gunner,
Go to
Gunner, come back.
Bakhmut. Go to Bakhmut.
Roof sniping. Why don't we capture the A point?
I'm just what are those defenses I'm just seeing over there? What is that?
It's okay. Officer guy, I don't know. What uniform?
The white uniform man.
East.
Oh my god! They sent a
Artillery
round
shot.
shot straight into me.
Northeast. How does bro have so many shots?
The pistol or a revolver.
Versus
Everybody gangsta until that one guy pulls out an AK instead. Gonna destroy that goddamn building.
Why are they sending round shots to the roof area?
Oh, you will see. That building will collapse.
Oh, what?
That building
Yo,
can
I'm
be
out of that
destroyed.
building.
What is going on
I-
back there, Alexander? That is so
I'm hearing a
noisy.
child getting like harassed.
Fire! Fire!
Well, I'm scared. I'm gonna stay here.
You. Fire! Oh, that building is
Oh
gone.
god. Oh, there's a guy behind us. Behind at the B point on a roof. I believe south. South. He's on a roof. I got him.
I'm glitched. Where's my weapon?
Oh.
The enemy is everywhere, man. They're making a trench line last I saw.
My weapon's not respawning.
They keep sending those dang cannon shots.
What the hell is happening? I did.
Oh. Do the buildings stop shots? Cause
I've been reset. Oh, Jesus Christ. This is... What the
yo, they're making a trench line. What do you mean
hell?
they
I got no
might? They're
weapon.
getting
Oh, God,
close.
hell no.
Way too close.
Jesus Christ, man.
I'm gonna flank from behind.
Oh wow, that. Oh, what the hell?
Oh, there's a one on the right flanking.
Crap. Oh no.
Yeah, he's white uniform and has revolver. Ah, rip.
Oh.
I got one. So what happened with their trench line? Are they getting closer? Get scammed.
Tại dưới mì câu rồi.
What, the bombardments?
Pull.
I was sniped once with their cannon.
You got fucking bombed. Bosnians. We got bombed by the Bosnians.
I'm gonna rush their trench line. Never mind. Don't rush their trench line.
It's the most sudden change of
I
decision.
must take one of them down with me.
I just see like smoke. I just see like smoke over there. That's getting a bit concerning.
Oh no. That's not good.
Oh, there goes one of them.
I'm dodging near death.
I see somebody in the bushes over there. I see a round head in there.
Which bushes?
I mean in the flower fields.
I'm at the flower fields.
Oh, that is
I got
you.
one. No!
I
America.
just, oh,
Freedom.
oh,
Yes,
there
sir.
goes him.
Watch, there's just gonna be like 3 of them in there. There's just gonna be rats.
The Viet Cong tunnel rats.
There's another one. Oh god.
Oh, there goes him.
Oh my god. What happened? Why is there a big crater in B point?
Second trench war. God damn! I just heard a bullet come pass through me.
Run! Run! I'll shoot them! Oh lord.
What the fuck is going on? Battle of Vicksburg, you say?
So do we own
Oh
this
my-
trench line now?
One of the artillery shells is glitching.
Oh my god.
That artillery is glitched. Holy. What do you expect? It's made by Sean.
Pop.
I see. Oh. I got. Alright.
I got one.
Oh shit!
This
Oh
is
shit!
not
Oh
good.
shit! I accidentally used a drone. I see. Alright. Hello. Ow, that hurt.
What? Did I shoot
That
you?
hurt. Yep.
You're the artillery guy? Oh god. Calm down, yo. It was a misinput, I swear.
It was a misinput. It was a misinput. Ow!
Oh my god. Get scammed.
Wait a minute. I pressed F on that canister shot. How did it not shoot?
Oh my god. Sean is hitting me with a shovel.
The Bakhmut. Oh my fucking god.
Watch, I'm behind them. I got one. Oh my god. Oh no. Did he win it? I got another one. Oh lord. No. Oh, are we dying in these trenches? Oh. I'm gonna flank and capture the A point. It's the only logical move. That's because it's like semi-automatic. What do you expect? I have captured the A point, but there is someone else that does not like me here. I'm being chased by, I think, only 2 people. I'm just gonna distract them. I have no intention of, inflicting all that harm. Close one. Oh god. The spawn protection barrier. Don't mind me getting chased down. Oh god. Oh god. I've been being chased by this guy for like 2 minutes. He should worry, honestly. Um, Sean is just there, man. Well, he'll hit you with a shovel, it just won't deal damage. Is there a way I can get another 1861 Springfield for like emergency situations? Because the reload's a little bit long. And I'm very close range quarters with these people. But they have gun and I have bayonet. What? Get scanned. Nah, I'm sure nothing bad will happen if I just stay here for a few moments. Who's singing Erica in the background? Why? What is he doing? What is he reenacting? 911. Bro, this horse is, on God, best shield. You're about to get shot, teammate. Oh my God! Jesus Christ almighty. Hit the greedy. That's not good. Oh my God. He's right here. Sean is right here in this little hole that leads to a big trench. Do we kill Sean? Is that allowed? Isn't it breaking the rules of war? I'm kidding. I'm not gonna shoot you, Sean.